Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure sales strategies with Pipedrive step by step clearly. Open your Pipedrive account and log in. Navigate to the settings section found in the bottom left. Select sales strategies from the list of options. Click on add new strategy to begin creating a custom sales strategy. Name your new sales strategy based on your target market or goal. Choose between a predefined strategy template or create a custom one. Define the key stages in your sales process by clicking on Add Stage. Organize the stages in a logical sequence from initial contact to closing the deal. Set target completion dates for each stage to maintain sales momentum. Determine the criteria for each stage to guide your sales team's progress. Assign team members to specific stages to clarify responsibilities. Add any relevant notes or resources that can assist your team in each stage. Review your configuration to ensure all details are correct. Click Save to store your new sales strategy. Return to the main dashboard to see your newly added strategy in action. Monitor your team's progress using the pipeline view. Adjust your sales strategy as needed based on performance metrics. Utilize Pipedrive's reporting features to evaluate the effectiveness of your strategy. Share insights with your team to facilitate continuous improvement. Regularly revisit and refine your sales strategies to adapt to changing market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.